You're welcome once again to Dannycom channel. If you are new to this channel, please click on the subscription button and then click on the notification bell as well, so that anytime a video is posted you will be notified. If you are a follower of this channel, please click on the share button to share our videos, to also educate somebody you may know that is having challenges with technology when it comes to internet, social media and other things. Quickly this afternoon I want to show you how to protect your phone, or how to safeguard yourself by preventing your phone from sending diagnostic information, or by protecting your data from going out there without your notice. So quickly you open your phone with me, go to the settings icon, and then from the settings icon you can see security and privacy. Some devices you will see it is privacy, or others you see security. And so if yours is security, go to security. If yours is privacy, just go to privacy. This one is security and privacy, so I'll just click on security and privacy. As you can see like this, we have a lot of information here. So just go to privacy, and when you go to privacy, this particular option here, you go to other privacy settings, and then you can see that this option that is checked here, send diagnostic data, will be sending information from your phone from time to time without your notice. And so kindly click on it to turn it off. And one advantage of this is that, just click on I agree. Okay, one advantage of this is that, or one importance of putting this feature off, is that it helps prevent your battery from draining fast. And so don't forget to click on the subscription button and hit on the notification bell, so that anytime a video is posted you'll be notified. This is Dannycom channel, where we take our time and walk you through all the basic things that you need to know when it comes to technology, social media and internet.